What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Excalibur, going to do a room tour of the newly remodeled Resort 2 Queen Room and room 15209 in the Resort Tower. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into the newly renovated room, because it's been some years since I've been in here. It's definitely been updated. It does seem a lot brighter than before. So we're gonna go to the left and start in the bathroom. When you come in the bathroom, it looks like they still have the long granite countertop, and they still have the big mirrors above. So if you need mirror space, that won't be a problem, and the lighting is still good. They do have the hair dryer on the wall, so if you need a hair dryer, that's there for you, and you still got the classic vanity mirror. But you've got a single vanity sink, and then they give you dispensers here, so they actually give you lotion and hand wash. So instead of having the bars, they're giving you the dispensers and stuff. So I guess that's cool. You've got your toilet here in the mirror, and then in the middle. Then you have your walk-in shower. So this is definitely an update to before. The tiling looks a little more up to the times than it did previously. So you've got your tile here, and then they give you body wash and shampoo dispensers instead of the bars. So just like most of the places, I'm pretty sure you can ask if you want the bars and don't want the dispensers, but at least they give you the shower ride. You know what I mean? I appreciate that. I give them kudos for that, or the shower curtain, because some of these places got to have glass enclosed walk-in shower. So at least this one is fully closed. So, you know, that's props for that for sure. Now coming into the main part of the room, now this is your connected room. So if you have another room adjointed, or if you're wanting an adjointed room, that'll be your access point for the connecting room. And then to the left is the closet. So still standard stuff in the closet. You've got your iron and ironing board, and then your luggage rack over there, and then hanger. So nothing, just your standard closet, nothing special. And then before you get into the main part of the room, over here on the wall next to your connecting door, you have a full body mirror, so you can check yourself out before you hit the strip, because you know y'all gotta stay fresh. Now we get into the main part of the room, and as y'all can see, it has definitely been renovated and updated for sure. It definitely looks more eye appealing to the current times. And it does look very, very familiar to MGM Grand, as some may recall. But over here is your bed area. So this is the 2 queen, so you get your 2 queen beds. And then in the middle of your 2 queen beds, there's only one charging port, so I don't know how big of a deal that'll be for certain people, but standard charging port. You have your closet, or not closet, but you have one drawer above, but down below is where your in-room safe is. So if you need to lock up your valuables, instead of that being in the closet, it is bedside. Now, if y'all see this carpet on the floor, it does look familiar, but across from your beds is your entertainment space. So here's your flat screen TV. This definitely reminds you of the MGM Grand entertainment station. But what I did notice is they did have a connectivity panel before, and that has been removed. So there is no connectivity panel on this side. You do have your ice bucket and cups. And then these are just more drawers. So if you need more storage, which you probably will if you're gonna be storing stuff, you've got 3 different drawers over here. And then on this corner, kudos to them, I'll give them props. You actually have an empty mini fridge. So if you need to keep your drinks cool, you can keep your drinks cool there. So salute to them for that, because every property on the MGM side do not have a mini fridge. Now, if you're gonna be in here for business, or if you're a creator, or if you just need to do some things, you've got a desk here. You can eat, you can work, whatever you need. You got a work desk space here, so that'll be convenient for those who need it. And again, you get just one single outlet port. So if you got a lot of devices in here, it's not a lot of charging ports, so keep that in mind. Now for the temperature unit, they've got this standard old school unit where you pushing the buttons, nothing digital. So, well, I mean, I guess technically it's digital because the numbers is, but I got it off for the video. So there goes your air unit down there. And then this is your view. So 15th floor. So you get a mix of a view here. It's not horrible. You can get some of the city. You can see T-Mobile. You got the coaster view, and you can see some of the strip. So it's actually not bad at all. You can see MGM Grand in certain parts of the strip over there. So not a horrible view. You got a view facing that way. And that's gonna do it for the video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. All right, now if y'all made it this far, y'all get some bonus footage. So first of all, y'all know people was always talking about the bed bugs at Excalibur. I ain't got no black light. I don't even think I want to have a black light, to be honest. That'd probably be extra crazy. But the bed's kind of soft, you know, they sleepable, they cool for real. I didn't see too much dirt on that bed. I don't see too much dirt on this bed, you know what I mean? Like, and they actually, like I said, they comfortable, they soft, they're not super firm. The pillows are cool too. So I know a lot of people be concerned about that. Everything seemed fine to me, like it's clean and all that other good stuff, you know. Y'all know me, I'm probably mainly responsible for this being a dirty castle, but just the cleanliness, room thoroughness through the room, like room clean, man. And it's definitely stable, so I get them 2 thumbs up as far as improvement from what they were before, even from the cleanliness. And then even the quality of the entertainment stand, like it don't like look out of date or chipped up or stuff like that. Like look like it's in maintained good condition. So y'all think about staying here, I don't know that I'm gonna be the one to tell you to stay here. I ain't gonna lie to you, you know what I mean? You know, one thing for sure, 2 things for certain. I still stand 10 toes on that this stable, but I don't think this would be a recommendation for me. They all right, man. Excalibur cool. I might remove the dirty castle from them and just call them the dated castle.